the other video, it recorded on the wrong freaking end of the phone, so I didn't get any of this. Sorry about the bad lighting, but yeah, this was the Vivo monitor arm, the V001G. This was used supposedly. Came with the instructions. It's in pretty good shape. It's everything is pretty much exactly the same. The hardware and the screws, and I'm not exactly sure what these caps are for. I haven't figured that out yet. But this thing will go right onto the 2x4 that I've got in the van, and then of course the mounting. And yeah, it's got some tension on it. I wonder if that's the tight part of the tension. Looks like, yeah, it looks like somebody did kind of mess around with this. Okay, but yeah, this is going to replace the other one that was leaning and old, getting sloppy. I'm guessing that this is for quick disconnects. Probably have screws down here, yeah, and down here for laying it up against, and then the screw right here, thumb screws. So I'll probably wind up doing that. Hopefully this works out for me, and depending on the circumstances, I might show a video on how I install this, but I'm not sure yet. But anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day.